Hi everyone, so it is Friday today, Elisa and me. Where are we going?
Shop.
We're going shopping. We're going to go get some ice lollies and bits and pieces that we need to get.
And a teeny mini of sweeties.
Yeah, she's coming because she wants sweets.
Yep.
So we're just about...
teeny weeny bit.
Yeah,
sweeties.
teeny weeny bit apparently. So we're about to head to the shops now.
Mommy.
Yeah.
I want some pink sweeties.
Okay.
And some blue sweeties for Isa, and green sweeties for Daddy.
Okay.
And rainbow sweeties for you and me and Isa and Daddy.
Yeah. So first we need to put petrol in because I've got 4 miles left. Yeah, so we're gonna go now. Come on then, let's go. I had a bit of a hijab malfunction, so I'm sorting it out by the trolleys.
I will put my just right behind you, okay? It doesn't go anywhere. And Mommy, what I want to do is put taps next to me, okay?
Okay.
Hey Mom, look at the dog there.
That will have to do for now. You look so cute. Say hey.
Hey.
So just got back from Tesco as usual, so I do a little haul. So I got a huge box of cat food because we ran out. I'm going to do the frozen stuff. I got some lamb sausages. These are perfect for barbecues. The kids love them, so always a win. Got some bubblegum lollies. Got some rocket lollies. Got some mini milk ones. That is all the frozen stuff that we got. Some mini chicken sausages. We've never tried these before, but Elisa saw them and she chose them, so we got those. Greek style yogurt. Got 3 of these for the kids. They love yogurt so much, as I say in every single video. But I got 3 of those. They were like 75 or 79p. I think these ones are new in Tesco because I've never seen them before. But got 3 of those packs. Picked up some chocolate chip brioche rolls. I also got one of these baguette bread things because I really want this with cheese. Just like plain cheese, butter and cheese. That's bad, but one off is alright. Some Dairy Dunkers for the kids. They love these. So do I. I'm not even gonna lie, they're delicious. I picked up some cheese strings. I got some unsalted butter because I'm going to be making cupcakes today. I picked up a big fat punnet of strawberries. This was $2.25. Normally these ones are like £3 or £4. I picked up 4 of these mac and cheese things. These are so easy and my kids love them, so I picked up 4 of those. Picked up some naughty donuts. Oh my gosh, this was a very naughty shop. Picked up some apricots and 2 cucumbers and also a watermelon. Elisa was whinging for Play-Doh, so I got her some Play-Doh because she's been asking for it for ages. Also running low on sugar, so I picked up some more sugar. 3 orange juices and 3 apple juices. They have been going like crazy recently because it's been so hot and they just want a drink all the time. So I've got 3 of each of those. And that was everything I got from Tesco. Now we'll move on to the Poundland stuff. So from Poundland I picked up some activity bits and pieces for Elisa and Isa. So I picked up some cheese and onion crisps. I picked up this mermaid mosaic thing, a little activity for Elisa to do. I picked up some Lotus biscuits. I'm making Lotus cupcakes today. These were 50p. I picked up a little notepad for Isa and a little notepad for Elisa. Also, this is 50p, a little Trolls pen, and also got this. This was £1. This is a little mosaic turtle with pom-poms. Just realised that fridge was open, oopsie. I picked up some zip seal bags. I picked up these Paw Patrol snacks. I think they're like pea snacks or something, but they're flavoured. I don't even know. Elisa saw them and wanted them. Picked up some Chew It sweets for them when they're good. And last but not least, I picked up some What's It? And that is everything that I picked up. So I'm gonna go put it all away and then I will let you know what I'm doing after. So this is the kids' lunch, some watermelon, cucumber and that bread with some cheese on. I'm having the same thing, but I'm not putting it on a plate, I'm just eating it like this. Guys, they're making something really naughty. Lotus biscoff cupcakes. I've been craving cakes or something really sweet. I just felt like having a Lotus biscoff cupcake, so I'm going to be making them today.
We're gonna run out of these.
I've got some more, don't you worry. So right now I'm just listening to Surika Half, and I am just trying to get this place clean because it is just a state. I need to finish doing the washing up. Also, Elisa's mess is right here. These guys are being cray-cray in here, and look at the state of this room. So, I'm not going to film it because I do not want to wear a scarf right now because I'm so hot. These guys are being so funny. Guys, I just walked into this room and Elisa's made Easter a little tent under here. Look how cute.
And I'm going to sit on a mummy bed, and I'm her mummy.
Yeah.
And it is my little top now. Thank you.
My cupcakes are all done. Look how nice they look. Mmm, delicious. Also have a lot of icing left over. I don't know what to do with it. Some of it I'm going to eat like this. So recently I've just been looking at this book here, and it tells you all like the meanings of the things that you say when you're praying. So I just thought this would be a really good thing to just read randomly, like to understand what we say when we're praying. And it also tells you the actions. This is the book, How to Pray Salah. I got it from eBay, but it is from this place here. And this is how cheap it is, look at that. But I really like this book, it's so good. It tells you how to do wudu as well. And it tells you all these different things, the times for prayers, and all of the rakahs you have to do. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Just reading this while the kids are just playing around the bedroom. I've just brought Elisa to my mum's house because she's going to have a little sleepover with Miney Manny. But she's so excited. She's never been excited like this ever before. I've come to my sister's house after dropping Elisa off, and Hanifa has made KOWSI. I'm so excited to eat this. I had the option between spanakopita, which is like feta, spinach, what have I got on my hand? Just saw it in the camera. And phyllo pastry. And I was like, do I want to be healthy? Nah. So I came here and I'm having this KOWSI. Exciting. So I'm about to head home. Just cleaned Hanifa's kitchen a little bit.
Hello.
Are you going to go to bed?
Boo!
Boo! Oh, anyway, Hanifa's KOWSI was really delicious. Luna's here. Say hi.
Hi.
She's so beautiful and cute. She's supposed to be going to bed, but she's being naughty bum bum. She's going to go to bed when I go. I'm going to go home now, but I'm going to end the vlog now. Oh my god, I'm sweating. Ew. Oh my god, that's all I ever say in my vlogs now. I'm just sweating. Well, the weather's gonna go a bit cooler this week.
It needs to rain because it's so humid right now.
It does need to rain. Anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog now, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Oh, Hanifa, do you want to say anything?
Thank you for the lovely comments on that video the other day. They were very sweet.
She's been reading all the comments and saying, I can't believe they're saying so many nice things about me. I thought they were going to call me horrible and say horrible things. I was like, no, my followers are like the best people ever. But anyway, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!